Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through how to set up a Jamboard session. So this is a digital whiteboarding session inside Google Meet. This is a relatively new feature of Google Meet. So if you haven't seen this before, this is sort of how you do that. If you go, so what I've got open here is the sort of student, the teacher view of Google Meet, if you like, on the left-hand side, and the student view on the right-hand side. So this is what the student sees over here. This is what you see. Obviously, usually you'd have your videos enabled. I'm just going to turn mine off so I can talk over this and it's not distracting. So this is like teacher view, student view. If you go down to the three dots in the right-hand corner and you click that, you should get the option to whiteboard and open a jam. So if I click on that, then it'll give me two options. Usually you'd probably want to start a new one unless you've specifically got one available that you want to use from Drive. So let's start a new whiteboard and it'll tell me that we need to give access to some people because the students who are currently in the call will need access to the digital whiteboard. So we can choose whether or not they can only view it or whether they can edit it. So if you're doing something that you're sort of showing them and they're just looking at it, then you probably want them to be viewing it. If you want them to be collaborating with you and changing stuff on the whiteboard at the same time as you, you can leave it as edit. So I'm going to choose view and I'm just going to click send. And that means then that my students will get access to this board. So what that actually does from a student's point of view is it just puts a message in chat and then there's a link then for them to be able to open the Jamboard on their device. So you'll be able to see that the student has joined, and then in here then you can do your whiteboarding and they will be able to see exactly what you're writing at the same time on their screen. So once that's all done, once you've done your Jamboard session, if you are interested in what sort of more things that Jamboard can do, then there's another video on Jamboard, or get in touch with us. I'm literally just going to cover how to use it inside Google Meet. Once you're done with that, we can close down Jamboard. That will all then save automatically to your drive. So if you just go into My Drive, then you should be able to see that Jamboard session that you just set up will be saved in Drive. So just to quickly recap, once you're in a Google Meet, you've got three dots down the bottom right, open a jam, give the people in the meeting access, view or edit, and then everything then will automatically save to Drive. If you want to hear a little bit more about Jamboard, then check out the appropriate video for that, or get in touch with us via the link underneath this video. If you have any questions, just let us know. Again, link underneath this video, just get in touch. Thanks all.